In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain to Shopify store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to connect a subdomain like shopyourdomain.com so it's recognized and linked to your store. First, open the Shopify website and sign in to your Shopify admin. You'll land on your store's dashboard. From here, look toward the lower left corner and click Settings. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your store, including your domains. Inside Settings, select Domains. The Domains page is your hub for managing your primary domain, any additional domains, and, importantly for today, subdomains. This page will show what's currently connected and give you options to add more. To proceed, click Connect Existing Domain. Even though we're adding a subdomain, this is the correct option, because a subdomain is simply an existing part of your domain that you want to point to Shopify. You'll see a field asking for your domain. Here, enter your subdomain exactly as you want it to appear, for example, shopyourdomain.com. Be precise and avoid extra spaces or characters. If you intend to use a specific prefix like store, shop, or checkout, make sure you include it before your main domain. This step allows Shopify to verify ownership and ensure the subdomain can be linked to your store. Once your subdomain is typed in, Shopify will start the verification process. This helps confirm that the domain details you provided match what's required to connect. If Shopify recognizes the information, you'll see confirmation on the screen that you're ready to continue. If anything looks off, double-check the spelling of your subdomain and try again. When everything looks good, click Next. This tells Shopify to finalize the link between your subdomain and your store. After you click Next, Shopify will begin connecting your subdomain. You'll return to the Domains page, where you should see your subdomain listed. It may show as connected right away, or it might display as processing while the connection completes. That's normal. You can leave this page open and check back shortly to confirm the status changes to connected. That's it. To recap, open the Shopify website, go to Settings, select Domains, choose Connect Existing Domain, enter your subdomain details so it can be verified, and click Next to link it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you want to double-check the exact steps.